Welcome to day 9. Today I will be showing you how I made this cute Starbucks cup costume. You need 2 white poster boards, brown craft paper, off-white felt, green and white paper, poster board or vinyl adhesive, paint, a headband, and your glue gun. Take your poster board and make a large enough cylinder that your child can get over their head and glue the seams. Cut strips of felt for the straps. Place the cup on your child and add the straps. Be sure to give them room to move around. Mark where the straps need to go. Take your child out of the cup and secure the straps with glue. Now I'll make the whipped cream ruffles. I made 20 9-inch round circles using a circle template. To make your ruffles, take one round, fold it in half, and place a dot of glue in the center. Fold it in half again and add another dot of glue. Now you can place the ruffles on the cup. They should fit easily between the 2 sheets of poster board and can be secured with hot glue. Do not place any ruffles around the armpit area. For your headpiece, take a brown paper roll and paint it green. Hot glue your straw to the headband. Take your whipped cream rounds and place them around the base of the straw, making sure most of them are also glued to the headband to secure it. Measure out how wide you want your sleeves to be and cut the paper long enough to wrap all the way around. Glue the paper onto the board. Finally, I added the Starbucks logo on the side. I used green vinyl on white scrapbook paper, but you can print it also. This costume was so easy to make and turned out great. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.